Dear viewers, welcome to another episode of
What's Cooking? The show where we actually have no idea what we're cooking.
Join us on another journey with Fusion Kitchen.
Today we have a new wonderful vegan recipe that will be loved by vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. We're going to make a delicious
Broccoli pie!
But it's not like any broccoli pie that you are used to. It's been made with very rare ingredients.
And now let's see how we gathered each one of them.
In the middle of the party, biscuit off me. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me.
The wild broccoli was a real challenge, as it tends to be somewhat difficult to find it and gather it. It's nothing like your regular domestic broccoli that you find in any market.
We saw the broccoli in 10 seconds under the tree.
Hi, got the broccoli, boys? Don't worry, broccoli. It's not gonna hurt too much. That's all I needed from you, broccoli. You are free to go now.
Next on our list is full gluten flour. Although it's banned from the market, thanks to our connections, we made the deal with our smuggling friend. What's up, man?
What's up?
Do you have something for me?
Best stuff around.
How much?
50 a key.
What? Where do you bring this from?
I brought it from Cuba. Do you know how many gluten detectors I had to pass to bring it here? They got gluten-sniffing ducks all over the place these days.
Did you say ducks?
Yeah, ducks.
What for?
Sniff the flour, of course. What do you expect to have, dogs? This ain't narcotics.
Whatever. Do you have a POS?
Sure. That'll be 50 and 27 cents.
What's the 27 for?
It's wrapped in 3 plastic bags. 3 times 9, 27. That's what it's for.
Whatever, man.
Hey, your card!
And now for the rare green mitose salt. Its revitalizing qualities have been known since antiquity, although the difficulty to gather it has kept its price on high levels. Thankfully, on our occasion, we have a map that highlights the exact location of a large green salt vine from where we can mine the quantity we need.
Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Now that we've melted the almonds, we're ready to begin the baking of our broccoli pie. First, we begin with the dough. Our broccoli pie is ready at last. Let's try it out.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Really amazing.
Wonderful.
Best pie ever.
Delicious.
Good job to everybody.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not feeling that well.
What's up?
I think my stomach.
Me neither.
Something is wrong.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you're right.
what? It must be the pie. No, sous-chef. No.